Hello there, welcome to our series of topics from the book entitled Computer Skills That Increase Your Productivity. In today's topic, we are going to see self-test 4, which is based on the lesson 4 here. Lesson 4 is about design. So we are going to look questions drawn from this lesson. So the first lesson is about themes here. That was the first lesson. Then the next one is about font. Then the third one is about paragraph spacing. Then we have seen also about watermarks, page color, and lastly we have discussed about page borders. So we have seen all these topics under the part 4, which is design. So we have seen all those topics I have mentioned. So based on that, we'll just evaluate you on those topics. The first question is, use a unique set of colors, font, and effect to create a consistent look and feel. Which one should we use? A, themes and styles. B, watermarks. C, page color. D, page borders. Which one should we use for making a unique set of colors, font, and effect to create consistent look and feel? That themes, that watermark, page color, or page borders. So try your best, and we are going to look into the answers as well as the end. The second question is, write at least 2 types of spacing types. We have a different varieties or kinds of spacing types we should use. Just you are expected to write at least 2 types of spacing. The third question is, what is the use of watermarks? We use sometimes watermark. So what are the use of watermarks? The fourth question is, what is the difference between page color and page borders? What is the difference between basic difference between page colors and page borders? So those are the questions. So I'll give you a few minutes to answer these questions, or you can actually pause the video and try and come back and see the answers given in the next. So let's go to directly to the answers. The first question is, use a unique set of colors, font, and effect to create consistent look and feel. And the answer is themes. So we use themes to have a unique set of colors, font, effect, and to have a consistent look and feel in our document. So if you actually want to know more about that, you can actually go to a video that is actually focused on each of the topics here. Other themes, watermark, page colors, and page borders. We have a separate video for each, and you can go to uh, those videos and grab what is the purpose of each and how can use them and what are the practical utility of them. The second is write at least two types of spacing types. The spacing types are many. You can say compact, tight, open, and relaxed styles. So you can write at least some of these. You are expected to write at least two of them. The third question is what is the use of watermarks? So when do we use watermarks and for what purpose? The use of watermark is to add text behind the content on a page where there is actually a document we have, and a text behind the content is also showing the watermarks. So that is important when you actually have an urgent document or a confidential document, copy or original or secret document. So we can use those using watermarks. The last question is what is the difference between page colors and page borders? So page colors is to add a splash of color to a document. When you apply page colors, there will be a splash of color to the whole document. Whereas page borders is to add borders to decorate the document. So the latter one is actually applicable only to the borders. That's to decorate document and have a nice and good look on our document. So there are a variety of lines, width, and color can be used for borders, and we can also add some important uh, element, like for example, for like an art and different lines and thicknesses. So that is the basic difference between the page colors and page borders. Page colors is to add a splash of color to the document, whereas page borders is to add borders and the document. So that is it, and thank you very much, and bye bye. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to our channel, and you can use uh, the knowledge and the skills gained from this channel to actually improve your productivity in your everyday uh, work. So our topics and tasks we discuss, we are trying to just link them to the practical use where one can use them for practical purpose and improve his or her productivity. So thank you very much and bye bye for today.